Hello artists, and welcome back to part 2 of our Romero Brito project. So we're going to be adding color today using colored pencils. And what I'm doing here is pressing really hard in the areas where I want the color to be really bright and pop out, and pressing lighter in the areas where I want the color to be lighter. That's the main technique I'm using here. Then I can blend other colors in and create a gradation or an ombre effect. So I'm blending in some orange. I'm pressing hard where I want it to be really popping out with color, and pressing lighter where I want to blend it out into the next color. And now I'm drawing in with my yellow colored pencil, blending in my yellow. So wherever you want your color to really pop, you have to press down hard with your colored pencil and then press lighter to blend it out. So I'm pressing hard with my colored pencil around the bottom of the eye and then pressing lighter around the middle to give it almost this 3D effect. You can also experiment with creating some different textures, using lines, using scribbles. Try out a lot of different things with your colored pencil and see which technique you like the best. Our goal is to add color to every single shape, every single spot on our paper. So I'm using that same technique on the other side of my face, and if your hands get tired, you can just give yourself a little hand massage, and it actually really helps if you get a hand cramp. So I really want to take my time here and be patient, because the more you take your time, the better your finished product is going to look. So patience is really key, and it's okay to take a little break if you need one. So I'm blending that light blue into the dark blue now, and I think this is going to look really, really cool. And you guys can use any colors you want. I'm using some green, blending that green into the blue to make another gradation where the colors blend into each other. Sometimes this is called ombre. And anywhere that it looks a little bit patchy, or anywhere that I see white spots on the paper, I'm just going back over that with another color to make sure it looks really, really nice and bright. I see little white spots here, so I'm just going back over them, taking my time. This video is sped up a lot, but in real life, it took me a much longer time. So I just wanted to show you guys a close-up, the difference between just filling it in really quickly and filling it in all the way. When you see all those white spots, it doesn't look as beautiful and brilliant. When you really take your time to cover up all those little white spots, your artwork looks a lot more professional and beautiful. So I'm gonna keep working on this drawing and finish it up so that it's all covered with color. But in the meantime, why don't you guys get started, and I can't wait to see what you create.